everyone, my name is Kumar, Akashanand, legal internet LEXIS and Company. In the previous two videos, I have discussed Order 7 Rule 10 return of the brain due to lack of jurisdiction and also Section 24(5) of CPC transfer of suit. The difference we can infer from this that under Order 7 Rule 10 return brain, lack of jurisdiction has to be filed as a fresh suit, whereas a suit transfer under Section 24(5) can be processed from the point where it should transfer. So now the question arises regarding this: what is the relation between the two? So regarding this relation, the Order 7 Rule 10 and the Section 24(5) Delhi High Court urges a harmonious construction application of both the provision. In Aviate Chemical versus Magna Laboratory, the Delhi High Court answered in affirmative regarding the transfer of petition under Section 24 of the CPC, in which the amendment of brain has led to the loss of pecuniary jurisdiction and there was permanent injunction in force passed against the defendant. Since the court ended up lacking jurisdiction, there was a risk of such injunction passed becoming invalid if the plaintiff is ordered to return. Such an invalidation could defeat the purpose of the suit. So the plaintiff moved an application under Section 24(5) seeking transfer, whereas the defendant, by upholding Order 7 Rule 10 as relevant provision for the lack of jurisdiction, sought as a de novo trial. The court in this matter emphasized the intention of the statute, which is to substantial justice and decide the suits expeditiously. It found that the de novo trial under Order 7 Rule 10 in matter which has passed a certain stage and has been pending for years would only frustrate the justice more. The court tried that Section 24(5) and Order 7 Rule 10 are two options available, and that has to be applied to the fact of a case, keeping in view the element of prejudice, adherence to the law of procedure, equity, and attachment of end of justice. The court stressed on an action which would cause no prejudice to the parties. Thus, court ordered the transfer of suit under Section 24(5) in the interest of justice. So thank you. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment below. See you in the other video.